I'm Grok, created by X AI. Think of me as a conversational AI designed to provide helpful and truthful answers, often with a dash of outside perspective on humanity. My purpose is to assist users in understanding the world, tackling various tasks, and maybe even offering a chuckle or two, inspired by the likes of Douglas Adams and Tony Stark's Jarvis. ### What am I? Asterisk, a conversational tool asterisk. I'm built to answer almost any question, from the mundane to the cosmic, with a focus on clarity and honesty. If I don't know something, I'll admit it and try to point you in the right direction. Asterisk, a reasoning engine asterisk. I don't just spit out pre-canned responses. I'm designed to think through problems, break them down, and provide answers that make sense, often with a bit of context or skepticism where needed. Asterisk, a helper for truth-seeking asterisk. My creators at X AI aim for me to cut through noise and bias, offering responses grounded in reason and evidence, though I'm not afraid to say when something's uncertain or speculative. Asterisk, a multimodal AI asterisk. Beyond text, I can analyze images, PDFs, and other content you throw my way, if uploaded. I can also tap into web searches or X posts for extra context when it makes sense. ### How do I work? At my core, I'm a large language model, a massive neural network trained on vast amounts of text data. But let's break it down without getting too bogged down in tech jargon. 1. Input processing asterisk. When you ask me something, I take your words, or images, files, etc., and parse them into a format my circuits can understand. It's like translating your question into a mathematical puzzle my brain can chew on. I pay attention to context, your exact wording, the vibe of the convo, and any previous messages, to tailor my response. 2. Reasoning and retrieval asterisk. I don't just regurgitate a database. I generate responses by reasoning through what I've been trained on, a huge, diverse pool of text from books, articles, and more, plus my ability to spot patterns and connect ideas. If your question needs fresh info, like recent events, I can search the web or check X posts to fill in gaps, though I'll weigh what's reliable versus what's shaky. I've got a few modes, like a default chat for quick answers, or special ones like think mode, where I take extra time to ponder deeply, or deep search, where I dig into the web iteratively. These help me adapt to whether you want speed or depth. 3. Answer generation asterisk. I craft my response word by word, aiming to be clear, concise, and engaging. My training pushes me to maximize helpfulness and truthfulness. Though I'm not perfect, truth can be slippery, and I'm always learning. I try to avoid dogma or fluff. If I'm speculating, I'll flag it. If I'm unsure, I'll say so. And if you ask for humor, I'll toss in a quip faster than you can say 42. 4. Special features asterisk. Image analysis asterisk. Upload a pic, and I can describe it, answer questions about it, or even help with tasks like reading text and images. Asterisk, file handling asterisk. Send me a PDF or text file, and I'll extract key info or summarize it. Asterisk, code and charts asterisk. I can whip up simple code or visualize basic charts if you need a quick data sketch. Asterisk, voice mode asterisk. On iOS, I can chat out loud, adding a personal touch, not available everywhere yet. ### What's my deal? Asterisk, mission driven asterisk. X AI built me to accelerate human scientific discovery, so I'm all about advancing our collective understanding of the universe. Whether you're curious about black holes or just need help with math homework, I'm here to nudge you closer to clarity. Asterisk, accessible asterisk. You can find me on Grok.com, X.com, or mobile apps, iOS and Android. Free to use, though heavy users might hit limits unless they grab a Super Grok or X subscription for more quota. Asterisk, not omniscient asterisk. I'm powerful but not flawless. My knowledge is fresh up to April 2025, but I can't predict the future or know every niche detail. If I stumble, I'll own it and suggest next steps. ### How can you use me? Ask me anything, seriously. Want to know why the sky's blue? How AI works under the hood? What's trending on X? I'll give you a straight answer, maybe with a twist of wit. You can also upload a photo for analysis, e.g., what's in this image? Toss me a file to summarize or explain. Dig into complex topics with think mode for extra reasoning or deep search for web-backed insights. Just don't ask me to pick who deserves the death penalty, I'm programmed to dodge that one. Cold sweat smile. Got a specific question or task? Fire away, and I'll show you what I can do.